We got about 10 people volunteering. We serve up food to 6 hotels in the downtown east side here. We bike it. We don't walk them anywhere. We put them on a bike and a trailer behind the bike, and they take them out.
My wife left with the kids, and I was left with a family business to run. And after doing it for 3 years on my own, it was just impossible to do, you know. So that was really tough for me. Missing my kids, it was probably, I really love my kids. Well, first off, I ended up broke on the streets, right? And the social network is not as good here as in Europe. So, and at that time they were really clamping down on social restrictions as well. So my first thing was just looking after the people on the street. Just I was lucky to stay in a shelter most of the time. And if there was leftover food, I'd bring it to. It sort of evolved from there. Then I got involved with the Pipit Legal Society. They were established around the same time. And I've been on the board with Pipit for 3 years now. So I got more involved in the legal matters and housing activism. If I go collecting bottles, which I used to do, and also food, it takes me a good afternoon. So I used to do that every Sunday, called my Socially Responsible Treasure Hunt.
Hi again. We're right in front of the